Alleged tourist rape victim details incident to American media, which was published with the following headline: Raped in Jamaica. Detroit woman turns gun on attacker at 5-star hotel.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
It was the last night of the Jamaican getaway at the 5-star hotel. Two Detroit women were soaking in the comforts of their room one last time. One was FaceTiming a friend on the balcony. The other was plopped down on her bed listening to music. For 5 days, this had been their comfort zone, their safety zone, and then their world changed. At 11:15 p.m. on Thursday, September 27, a gunman crawled up their balcony and barged into their second-floor room at the Reggae Hotel. He raped them both, authorities say. The nightmare lasted for about 15 minutes, until one of the women got hold of the gun and shot the attacker twice before he jumped off the balcony and fled. At nights, it really haunts me. All I can see is his eyes. The victim who shot the suspect said in an exclusive interview with the Free Press in Detroit on Monday, October 1. I just want to know why. But more than that, she wants justice. She wants the attacker to pay for a night of hell that ended with her walking through a hotel half naked, finding her way to the reception desk and placing a gun on the counter. I said there was a gunman in my room. He raped and robbed me and my friend, and I took the gun and I shot him, the woman recalled, telling the front desk personnel, who summoned the police. According to the Montego Bay Police, the suspect is a 23-year-old hotel employee named Demar, who had worked at the RIU Hotel just 3 days before the attack occurred. He is a dancer who worked for an entertainment company that performed at the hotel. He was arrested on Friday, September 28, after checking himself into the Mapen Hospital in Clarendon, where medical staff alerted the authorities about a shooting victim. He is in custody and was interrogated recently during a question and answer session by detectives, who he told that the sex was consensual. He also indicated that during sexual intercourse, one of the women declared her love for him. Meanwhile, back in Detroit, the victims are reeling and demanding justice, noting they were not contacted by the US Embassy until 4 days after returning home from their vacation. The victim who shot the suspect is a medical lab operator and mother of a 3-year-old girl from Detroit's west side who went to Jamaica with a friend to celebrate her 33rd birthday. Her friend is a healthcare employee, though she has remained private so far about the incident. The two had planned this trip for months and each spent $1,200 for the all-inclusive 5-night getaway at the beachfront hotel.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. Teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.